The Crude Life with host Jason Spiess.
My name is Jason Spiess, and this is the Crude Life Daily Update. On today's program, we talk with Josh Swanson, attorney for Vogel Law. Comments on the Wilkinson Lake Sakakawea court case that is impacting oil and gas mineral ownership. In just a moment, part of our exclusive interview with Josh Swanson from Vogel Law, right here on the Crude Life Daily Update.
Jason Spiess, the most trusted voice in the Bakken.
I totally agree with you, and the word that you brought into this is fact. You tell the facts, and then you let people make up their own minds.
You want someone who's competent. You don't want to get a bunch of rookies.
Love listening to Jason Spiess on the radio, and if I miss him there, I catch him online.
Let's bring in Jason Spiess, who is a multimedia journalist in North Dakota. Jason, what's your thought on this?
No one does an interview like Jason Spiess.
Welcome back to the Crude Life Daily Update. My name is Jason Spiess. Thank you, folks, for joining us. Up next, Josh Swanson with Vogel Law Firm talking about the Wilkinson Lake Sakakawea court case that is impacting oil and gas mineral ownership.
Literally hot off of the press within the last hour. Your listeners, Jason, you and I have talked about it numerous times, the mineral rights under Lake Sakakawea and the state's unconstitutional claim to those, and how the legislature addressed it. Last session was Senate Bill 2134 that codified a new set of statutes in the North Dakota Century Code. The Supreme Court, as your listeners will recall, ruled in our favor in the Wilkinson decision back in September of 2017, and the issue's been batted back and forth with the state seeking to delay the issue and put off any sort of determination by the district court as to the application of that particular set of statutes, and that's what we did. We filed a summary judgment brief asking the court to decide as a matter of law that applying that set of statutes, Chapter 61-33.1 of the Century Code, in applying that, the state of North Dakota has zero right and zero claim to the mineral interests held by private landowners, including the Wilkinson family, who reserved those mineral rights when the United States acquired the property for the Garrison project in Lake Sakakawea. As I know you and I, to give your listeners a refresher, because this saga has been going on for several years now, the Industrial Commission last fall issued its order adopting that study done by Wenck and Associates, and as part of that study, it had determined that with our clients, in this case, the Wilkinsons, their property was above the ordinary high water mark, and we're asking the district court judge to rule now as a matter of law that the state has no right to continue claiming an interest in that property.
And that was Josh Swanson with Vogel Law Firm. To listen to the entire interview or to check out other exclusive interviews, visit thecrudelife.com. That's thecrudelife.com. The Crude Life Daily Update has a social media audience of over 350,000. Check out our network at thecrudelife.com. Click on the social media tab. From the staff at the Crude Life Daily Update, my name is Jason Spiess, asking you to keep calm and frack on.